As homeowners ourselves, we know how important it is to have a positive experience with high-quality service professionals when in need of home repairs. Our commitment begins with the very first interaction. We are committed to providing exceptional service before, during, and after our service professionals arrive at your home. Because at Nichols, we're not just fixing houses, we're building relationships. Our qualified home service experts comprehensively complete necessary repairs to your home. And with our lifetime labor warranty, we will return to your home to address any further repairs at no additional charge. When you choose Nichols, you can rest assured that we will treat you and your home as a part of the Nichols family. We are committed to our customers, employees, and community well-being. Nichols Electric and Plumbing, home service for life.